Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 1244. Number 1244 combines the qualities of numbers 1 and 2, as well as the energies of number 4, with number 4 appearing twice, multiplying and amplifying its effects. Number 1 contributes its vibrations of optimism, motivation and activity, creation, new beginnings and starting over, striving for success and happiness. Number 1 also tells you that your thoughts, beliefs, and actions influence your reality. The vibrations of number 2 are balance and harmony, cooperation and diplomacy, devotion, duty and service, adaptability, partnerships, and duality. Number 2 is also about faith and trust, as well as your divine life purpose and soul mission. Number 4 represents our willpower and effort, traditional values, stability and ability, patience and practicality, laying solid foundations, and working hard to achieve our goals. Number 4 is also related to our passion and drive in life, and it resonates with the archangels. Angel number 1244 is a message from the angels that you need to see yourself in a more positive light, as your true self, and your angels are assisting you in increasing your self-esteem and self-belief. Stay balanced, grounded, and focused, knowing that your angels are surrounding and supporting you as you fulfill your divine life purpose and path. Angel number 1244 requests that you recognize the determination, discipline, and hard work you have put into your previous endeavors, and know that they will bring you long-term benefits and rewards. You have demonstrated great tenacity and initiative, so rest assured that your efforts have been well rewarded. Your angels and archangels encourage you to continue your wonderful work. Allow yourself to be all that you can be. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.